are going to love the 2018 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power liftgate, heated seats, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, heated front seats, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, security system, brake assist. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.